I would love there to be something other than a vintage 30 that does this completely perfectly. It is kind of mostly noise. I loved how it sounded, but it was just really surprising to me. Yeah, I think it's a real underdog. If I got a new cab from you and it had speakers that sounded like those new ones, I would be totally happy.
Hi, welcome to Zilla Cabs. Recently we spent a few days in the studio with Nolly, the V30 King, looking for the best speakers for metal. We used the V30 as a reference and a specifically written track to help illustrate different aspects of heavy playing. Now, Nolly being Nolly, there's some real gems along the way, so if heavy music isn't your thing, there's still some really interesting information in here. At the start of each video there's a blind test, and at the end we've added a band mix, so sit back and enjoy the magic.